This one, who looks almost brown to me, which means that it would be a girl, just harassed Spike into moving. I don't know. The one with the white head. What's up with that? I missed it though. Nothing else exciting is happening. You know, everyone's chilling out. That's a girl. Oh, yeah, well, she's a girl. Um, this one's supposed to rain really intensely. Okay. Are you cool now? This is like a documentary on pigeons. This is the most exciting. The other ones aren't even moving like at all. This one didn't even look real for a second. And that one's just pissed. Avery? That's you. Where is it? Come check out all these pigeons. This is a scary amount. Oh, they left. Okay.
No, we're not scary, she says. We're really not that scary.
No, she's trying to keep warm. Clatch. You should go huddle with that one. What? Oh. Someone just don't. Oh. Looks like there's only these three left. What if I went and did that and they couldn't slow down?